Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play El Jalisciense. Of course, as always, the music will be in the comments. So starting off, we have nice and slow, the first three notes, E, F sharp, G. And then F, A, D. F, A, D, F sharp. All of the Fs are going to be F sharp unless I say otherwise because we're in the key of G. So again, that arpeggio. Next. The notes are F, E, F, G, B, D, G, B, D. Again, that arpeggio. Next, we have C, E, G, C, E, G. One more time. And then the notes open G to C, E, G, C, E. Nice and slow. And then D, F, A, D, F, A. And next part. A, D, F, A, D. Now before we get to that high part, let's play through all of those arpeggios starting at measure 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, now we're at measure 17. First, I'm going to show you what's written, and this is what's in the recording. And then I'm going to show you what we do in the chambas. During gigs, we don't really play this high part, at least not that I've experienced. We usually invert the parts, and I'll show you that lower part after this. Okay, so we got up to 5th position. We have C natural with first finger, second finger D, E, and F sharp. So we have F, D, F, E, C, E, D, B, D. And as you saw, I went from 5th position down to 3rd position. D, B, D. C, A, C. Then I'm going to go back up to 4th position. B, D, C. E, D, C. B, A sharp, B. Of course, if you want to get that up to speed, practice it over and over again. Make sure you have the intonation perfected, the positions really well learned, and then little by little you increase the speed. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what we usually do at gigs. What you're going to do is you're going to take a third above what's written. So instead of F sharp, now we're going to start on A. So you have F, D, F. We'll play a third above that. A, F, A. G, E, G. F, D, F. E, C, E. And then D, F, E, G. F, A, G, F, G. So let's add some tempo to that. Still very slow. It would be one more time, a little bit faster. Okay, moving on to the last measure of this line. It's measure 21. We have, I like to be in third position. B, A, B, C, B. So now we're at letter A. Like I mentioned in some of the previous videos, some of the adornos, you have to be very careful to follow the voice. The voice comes in with con gusto. So you have 3, 1. So you could play this last part. 3, 1, 2, 3, and the rhythm is going, and the singer is waiting. Con gusto vengo acá. You have to wait for the singer. Con gusto. 1, 2, 3, and then we come in with the next adorno. So that adorno, we have open D. 3 plus 2, so 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we have D, E, F, G, A, C, D, E, F. All of that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Next part, shift up to third position, A sharp, B to A natural, G. Make sure you use equal amounts of bow. You don't want to start all fast and then have nothing left. You have to evenly space out the bow. So think by the next dotted half note, you should at least be at the middle. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So then we're at letter B. Trumpets have their fill, and then we come in with the violins. The notes are F sharp to G, and I'm in third position. D, G, F sharp, D, F, G, D. So right when we start, we're going to be close to the lower half. And then on that quarter note, you have to make it all the way back to the frog. So we start off 1, 2, 3. Then after that, F sharp to G, D, G, F, D, B. Then we take the repeat sign, we go all the way back to the top, repeat everything, 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 play through it. There's no first and second ending, so we still play the part before the repeat sign, play it, and then this time we don't take the repeat, we have a measure rest, and then we're at letter C, the Largo. We have A, G, F, E, D, A, G with the glissando, F sharp, again, and then after that we go back to Allegro on the note D in third position. We have 3 measures. One way I think you guys can get those eighth notes together is think of the fermata note already in the new tempo, count 3 beats, and then you're off. Let me show you what I mean. So we have this part. That F sharp, that's your fermata note. Already think of the new tempo. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So if you can have everybody think of that fermata note already in the new tempo. 1, 2, 3. E, F sharp, G. Okay, and here's another difference between the recording and what we do at the chambas. Recording, I'm in fourth position, first finger on B. B, D, C, E. D, C, B. Okay, so that's the recording. What I do in the chambas is C sharp to D, F, E, G, F, A, G. Again, nice and slow. So it's up to you. You want to play it like the recording, there you have the notes. How most people do it in the chambas, I just showed you. And then last part, again in the recording, we have, which is third part taken an octave higher, F sharp, A, C, B, B. But as we find in most sones, the first part should be D, F, A, G, G. Again, that's up to your personal taste, your director's taste. Try out what's in the recording. Try it out in the gig. See how you like the way it sounds, or try the traditional way, and you might like that better. And now you know el Jalisciense. Hope that helps. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.